Ever wonder how artists bring their work to life? It all comes down to value and form. These two elements transform flat shapes into dynamic, three-dimensional masterpieces. In this video, we'll explore how light, shadow, and tone create depth and realism. Let's dive into the secrets of value and form. What is value? Value is the lightness or darkness of a color. Think of it as the magic wand that adds depth and volume to your artwork. By tweaking the value, you can highlight certain areas and create a realistic sense of light and shadow. Imagine a bright sunbeam hitting a ball, casting a shadow. That's value at work. Now let's talk form. Form is how artists make flat surfaces come alive, creating the illusion of three dimensions. Techniques like shading, perspective, and texture turn simple shapes into lifelike objects. Picture drawing a cube shading its sides makes it look like you could reach out and grab it. So if you want your art to leap off the page, mastering value and form is key. Ready to level up your art game? If you have found value in the information shared so far, do hit the hype button, share with a friend, and subscribe for more awesome art tips. Now let's flip on the side of tonal value. What's value in art? Value is the lightness or darkness of a color, but how do we measure it? Enter the tonal value scale. This scale ranges from pure white to deep black, with various shades of gray in between. Artists use this scale to apply the right amount of light and shadow in their works. Look at this painting by Caravaggio. Notice the dramatic contrasts? That's the tonal value scale in action, creating depth. Now let's define form and see how tonal values bring it to life. Form gives shape to objects, making them appear three-dimensional. By using different tonal values, we mimic how light interacts with objects. Shading with varying tones transforms a flat circle into a realistic sphere. Start with a basic shape, like a cube or cylinder. Apply the tonal value scale to add depth and dimension. Watch as your 2D drawings transform into lifelike 3D forms. Mastering tonal values and form is essential. Practice identifying and using tonal values to create form in your own artwork. Don't forget to watch this video right here to learn more about the elements of art. Catch you on the shading side of art.